Right, so let's say we had 1 plus I to the power of 10. Alright, and first of all, I'm going to convert that. What is that in? Sorry, 1 plus I, you write it in polar form, and then to the power of 10. And you evaluate it. So you continue on and find out what the complex number. So here in this sum you're asked what is the complex number. You want to finish off with x plus yi, alright? In this one. So you're asked to go the whole way through. Right. So we know what 1 plus I was. It was, just write down, it was square root of 2. And this was cos pi over 4 plus I sine pi over 4. What happens if I get to the power of 10? Right? Power of 10. So it's 2 to the power of 10. And I have to squeeze a 10 in there. So 10 times pi over 4 is 10 pi over 4. 10 times pi over 4 is 10 pi over 4. Alright. So 10 over 4 is the same as what fraction? 5 over 2 pi. 5 over 2. Or 5 pi over 2. Right. Square root of 2 to the power of 10, if you do it in the calculator, is equal to 32. Right. If you get cos 5 pi over 2, it's equal to 0. And the sine of 5 pi over 2 is equal to 1. So 1i. You don't have to. I'll explain now how you can get it using the unit circle. 3 times 0 is, 32 times 0 is 0. 32 times 1 is 0 plus 32i. If you're asked for the answer in the form of x plus yi. Is that okay? See here, the cos 5 over 2 pi is equal to 0. How can you get that?
How do you know that?
How do I know that? How do I know that off the top of my head? Right, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 pi, isn't it? Remember the unit circle that we drew? Cos and sine. If I start here and I do, that's 1 pi, 2 pi, and how much more? A half of pi. There's a half of pi. So I end up here. This point here is 0, 1, isn't it? 0, 1. Cos is first, sine is second. So what's the cos of 5 over 2 pi, or pi over 2? 0. What's the sine at this point? 1. Did you see that? Did you understand it?
Would it always work out